Where are we off to today? How cold is it today?
Hi.
Oh my god. Okay, let's go.
On our way to Ballet West to take classes. Okay, now we're in Salt Lake City.
Hello.
Designated driver, Teacher Anna.
And designated videographer, Teacher Grace, and our sleepy ballerinas at the back.
Yes.
Sleepy pa ba kayo?
Sleepy pa. Hindi kita. Looking for the building. Ang linis ng dash ng windshield namin, as you can see.
Kasi umuulan. Kaya nagpa-car wash tayo the other day lang, tapos umuulan.
Asin din kaya yan?
Ay, ito na siya sa left. Okay, pero how to go there? Okay. Capitol Theater in Salt Lake City. So the girls are gonna have class today with Ballet West. And they're upstairs na because I had to park the car. And unfortunately, there are no more shows that we could watch while we are here. Ang ganda, may chandelier pa. I think that's the lobby. Nice. So how was it? Come on, tell your friends.
Good experience.
Wait, you told them yung kakasabi mo lang sa Andedan, yung what he told you.
Sabi niya, parang siya here in Ramadan. So kung dati ganito kami, parang he said na nakapase before you go on relevate ba. So parang gano'n. Tapos whip it na. Parang mind blown.
It's really different per teacher.
Yeah, parang teacher yun.
Kasi Natalia is, diba? CSTD rin, diba? Alasecon, CSTD. Alasecon, yung PASE. Ano ba yung PASE?
Yung teacher, parang every time we go to a different high school, like they're always saying like different techniques. So parang, he said naman talaga na like what works for you.
Correct. It's always different. Kaya we always expose you to different teachers, right? Nice. Since Millenium Dance Studio is just near, so we're attempting to take a class there. And look, ang ganda oh. Look, so pretty here. But then again, hinahanap pa namin kung nasaan. So I was looking at the wrong schedule. Orange County pala yun. So we're just gonna eat lunch here. Here is the trolley square. It used to be an old trolley station. Is this trolley cottages? Aww. It's so cute. Ha? Hindi, yun yung Thai. Doon na tayo sa Thai. Ayan, open na siya. Ang cute. Ay, closed? But it says Saturday, 11 o'clock. And since sarado dito, okay, we walk again. We go back. And we're just gonna eat Brazilian steak. Okay. Busog. I forgot to take a video kanina. We had this one. Yan. Unlimited meat and salad bar. Sarap siya, pero hindi masarap yung rice. have the whole studio to themselves. Support system ng ano namin, oh. Ano yun? Breakout artist. As patanggal ng phone. Yeah! Back! Si Ate Tony kasi overage na, kaya bawal mag-audition.
Teacher support.
Support wala tayo. Support. Proof na yaya. Opa! Tingnan yung sapatos. Kasi niya. Oh, diba? Thanks, Ate Tony. We leave our area clean. Oh. Sila. Pak! Okay, so we have to bring the stuff to the car. We're gonna go to the car to bring our stuff. Ate, punta ka na doon. Kuha ka na ng chair.
Oh no, teacher said gold.
Oh, it is. 9. It's 9. 9, tapos wala ng sun.
Oh no.
So it's colder.
Oh my gosh.
Diba?
I love it.
And it's wet.
I feel like I'm in North Pole.
It's very cold.
Teacher.
Wow! Puno! The closing show!
Let's go!
Ladies and gentlemen, everyone in the audience, presenting your teen and senior breakout practice for the weekend. Give it up one more time for all our dancers on stage.
Hey! Bye!
Lamig.
Very. Our winners! Yay! Mahusay na mga bagets.
Teacher, ang tapang ng mga bagets.
Ha?
Ang tapang ng mga bagets. Ang lamig-lamig naka-swimsuit sila. Ballerine, tama teacher. Ballerine.
Mga ballerine natin. Yay! Congratulations!
Workout artist, ballerine. Be kind, be grateful, do all things with love.
And joy will find its way.
Hashtag
we aim to inspire.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can be updated with their new vlogs.
We hope you enjoyed this episode. Bye!